Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we tackle a common problem that many users of qBittorrent are facing. So, here's the problem. Prior to the release of version 5, when users selected a torrent, hit Shift+Delete, and then clicked Remove, the files would be permanently deleted. However, in version 5.0.0, 64-bit, these actions now merely move the files to the recycle bin. Quite a frustrating problem, right? Now, let's dig into the solution. To restore the old behavior and permanently delete content, along with the .torrent file, you need to make a quick change in the Options menu. Simply navigate to the Advanced dialog and look for the torrent content removing mode. Set it to delete files permanently to ensure that your files are no longer sent to the recycle bin. In summary, we've addressed the problem of files being moved to the recycle bin instead of being permanently deleted in qBittorrent version 5.0.0. By adjusting the torrent content removing mode in the advanced settings, you can restore the old behavior and ensure that your files are deleted permanently. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Remember, a deleted file here, a deleted file there, but let's not recycle bin them all.